Never let them see you sweat. There's nothing like starting a video off with an old tagline from a deodorant commercial, right? But it's absolutely true. Kids can smell fear, especially middle schoolers. And if you don't take control and maintain control from before day one, they are going to eat you alive. I know of what I speak from many years as a substitute teacher. And now that we add distance learning into the mix and doing everything online, there are more variables than ever to make us feel a little unsure, maybe a little insecure, and yeah, maybe a little afraid as educators. So here's one way that I've found to combat those fears. Stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to Classroom Confidential. My name is Christopher Youngren, and I'm a middle school ELA teacher in Tucson, Arizona. So now that everything is on Zoom or Google Meets or some other kind of online meeting platform, it's more important than ever that we present ourselves to the students with an air of confidence, security, and authority. And this begins even before the first day of class. And this begins with understanding the tech side of things when it comes to Zoom, Google Meets, other online meeting platforms. And it starts with something as simple as sending them the meeting link days before school starts. And not just the meeting link, but also the website, the meeting code, and the password. So they have different ways of logging in. Because the last thing that you want to be doing on day one of class is fielding a bunch of emails about, how do I get into class? I don't know how to get into class. What's my Zoom password? And look, I hate to be the one to break it to you. You're probably going to get these emails anyway. But if you understand how things operate from your end, it's going to make things a lot easier. Understanding the tech overall, from breakout rooms, how breakout rooms work, so you're not sitting there going, wait, hold on, let me, do a couple of practice runs, maybe with your family or something, so you truly understand the mechanics of breakout rooms. Allowing people in from the waiting room, so you don't have kids sitting in there forever waiting to be admitted to class. Using things like the mute all button, muting everybody as they come into class. Utilizing chat, noticing when kids are sending you messages in chat, because some kids honestly are shy and a little bit reticent to speak in front of the rest of the class. And so you want to make sure that you're not only keeping track of the people who are there in the gallery speaking to you verbally, but also people who are sending you messages through chat. And so really educating yourself on all of the different technical aspects of Zoom, Google Meets, other online meeting platforms before class ever begins will allow you to begin class with that authority, with that confidence that kids need. Because right now, it's a world where everybody's feeling a little bit unsettled and unsure of what the future is going to bring. And so if you, as their educator, can lead them with that authority and provide them with a sense of security that starts with understanding the technical side of things with whatever platform you're using, you're going to be in a lot better shape. They're going to feel better. They're going to feel more comfortable. And overall, class is going to run a lot more smoothly. So, hey, I hope you got something out of this video. If so, do me a favor and smash that like button for me. If you enjoyed this video, check this one out. This is another good Zoom tip. And hey, if you like my channel, why not subscribe, and I'll keep them coming. Take care of yourselves out there. Take care of someone else. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.